I'm gonna make something amazing with these walnuts. Come and see. Hi, welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Fesenjoon. This hearty, delicious stew comes from the northern part of Iran. This is an elegant dish that is usually reserved for special occasions such as birthdays or weddings. Traditionally, it's made with duck, but today I'm going to show you how to make it with chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us start. The ingredients are as follows. A cup of pomegranate molasses or pomegranate paste that you can find at Middle Eastern stores. 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken. 1 small diced onion. 2 cups of walnuts. 1 teaspoon turmeric. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. First, I'm going to use the food processor to grind the walnuts. That is the consistency that you are looking for. You don't want to have big pieces of walnuts in your stew. It's time to roast the walnuts on medium heat. Be careful not to burn it. When you smell the aroma of roasted walnuts, it means that your walnuts are ready. As you see, there is no changes in the color. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water and let it simmer. I'm going to cook it for about 30 minutes. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon oil. Turn it on, adding the onions. I'm going to saute the onions for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, I'm adding the chicken. It's time for turmeric. I'm just quickly stir it. Now it's time for chicken. I'm going to saute it for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to add the walnut mix to the chicken. The base of this stew is the walnut mix. I'm going to let it simmer for about 4 hours. If you want to use the slow cooker, I think it's a very good choice. But today I want to show you how to make it on the stove. 4 hours passed. Let's check it out. You see the color is pale brown. It's time to add the pomegranate molasses. Yes. Adding the sugar. The taste of this stew is sweet and sour. So if you prefer sweet or sour, you can add more or less pomegranate molasses and sugar. I prefer a cup of pomegranate molasses and 2 tablespoons of sugar, but it's up to you. The color is brownish. I'm gonna let it simmer for another 30 minutes on the medium heat. Our stew is ready. Look at it. Look at the color. It's so gorgeous. That's the consistency that you are looking for. This amount of stew is good for 8 servings. Overall, I added 3 cups of water to cook the stew. Now it's ready to be served. Fesenjoon is a very unique and tasty stew that is usually served with rice. If you are interested in my Persian rice recipe, I put the link down below. Or simply you can serve it on top of mashed potatoes. Bon appetit!